Welcome to Igbo class. In today's topic, we'll be talking about something very interesting and fun. What is our topic for today? Our topic today is music. Egwu. Yes, the Igbo people are known for Highlife music, Ogene music. So today we'll be looking at what music is to the Igbo people, what music entails, and the different instruments that are used while making music. So go nowhere. I am Teacher Chiamaka. Join me as we take a look at what music entails, what music means to the Igbo people. Ka video, let's begin. Egwu. Egwu means music. Egwu, which is music. Music stands for Egwu. So whenever you hear of Egwu, we are talking of music. What is music? Gịnị bụ Egwu? Egwu, which is music, bụ ụda ahaziri nke ọma nke dị mma na ntị. It is an organized sound that is pleasant to the ear. Ahaziri nke ọma, organized. Whenever you hear that something is organized, it means in Igbo, ahaziri ya nke ọma, ahaziri nke ọma. Here, Uda stands for sound. Uda stands for sound. Uda ahaziri nke ọma, an organized sound. Nke dị mma na ntị. Nti. You've heard of this before, right? Which part of the body is nti? The ear. The ear, which means it is pleasing to the ear. An organized sound that is pleasing to the ear. So music is not just any sound. It must be pleasing to the ear. It must be organized in such a way that any ear that listens to it must be pleasing to that ear. And the Igbo people are not left out. We know how to organize different sounds in order for it to be pleasing to our listeners. Who are the listeners? The Igbo people and also the non-speaking Igbo people. Everybody listens to Igbo music because it is interesting, it is fun, you learn about Igbo culture, stories are learned, values are learned through Igbo music. We have so many Igbo traditional music, in the sense that we have number one, Egwu Ogene. This one is very peculiar to the Igbo people in Enugu State. Egwu Ogene. Egwu Ogene. Let's listen a bit to what Egwu Ogene is all about. So this is what Egwu Ogene is. It is basically the Ogene sound that you keep hearing in the Egwu Ogene. Just like I said, it is peculiar to the Igbo people, southeastern Nigeria. We also have Egwu Nkwa. Egwu ndị Owerri, Egwu Nkwa. It is peculiar to the Igbo people in Imo State and also some part of Abia State. Egwu Nkwa. This one is waist shaking dance. You have to move your waist for this particular kind of dance. We also have Egwu Surugede. Egwu Surugede. It is believed that the Egwu Surugede is a spirit dance. Egwu Surugede is believed to be a spirit dance. So it is not danced anyhow. There is an adage that goes with this Egwu Surugede, an Igbo proverb which says, "Nwata na-agba surugede, amaghị na surugede bụ egwu ndị mmụọ." So Egwu Surugede is the dance of the spirit. Now let's look at the different musical instruments that is being used in this music. The first musical instrument that we have is Oja. 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 This is the flute. Oja. The flute. This is what an Oja looks like? Ọjà, the flute. Ọ bụ ọnụ ka eji afụ ọjà. Ọjà is being played using the mouth. Ọjà. The second one we have is ịchaka. 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 It is named after the rattlesnake because of the kind of sound that it produces, the chaka 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 sound. This is what ịchaka looks like. Ịchaka. The next one is ịgba. Ịgba, the drum. Ịgba, drum. I believe you've seen a drum before. This is what a drum looks like. Ịgba. The next musical instrument that we have is udu. Udu. Giving that sound, doom doom. I believe that is where it got the name, udu. This is what udu looks like. The next musical instrument is ogene. 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 I believe this is the champion of Igbo musical instruments because any music without ogene, it's not vibing, it's not giving that vibe. Ogene is a metal gong. Ogene is a metal gong. So let's take a look at these musical instruments again. Ọjà, ịchaka, ịgba, udu, ogene. There are other musical instruments that we have, like the ekwe, that's the slit drum. This is a picture of what ekwe looks like. We also have the ikoro. Ikoro is also a slit drum, but a bigger version of the ekwe. Music from the ikoro sound is usually played for people of high dignity in the community. So now we are going to take a look at an example of Igbo music, and the music that we have here is a Highlife music from one of our brothers, Oliver Sunday Akanite, better known with his stage name as Oliver the Cook, titled Nwa bụ Nwa.
Amụrụ nwoke nwoke nwa bụ nwa. Amụrụ nwanyị nwanyị nwa bụ nwa. Amụrụ nwoke amụrụ nwanyị nwa bụ nwa. Nwa bụ Nkechi nyere onye okuru na ube.
Let's look at the lyrics first. Amụrụ nwoke nwoke nwa bụ nwa. Amụrụ nwanyị nwanyị nwa bụ nwa. Amụrụ nwoke amụrụ nwanyị nwa bụ nwa. Nwa bụ Nkechi nyere onye okuru lakpube. Amụrụ nwoke nwoke nwa bụ nwa. Whether you give birth to a set of male child is a child. Amụrụ nwanyị nwanyị nwa bụ nwa. Whether you've given birth or you give birth to a set of girls, that's females, a child is a child. So here we can see that nwoke for a boy, nwanyị, a girl. Amụrụ nwoke amụrụ nwanyị nwa bụ nwa. Whether you give birth to just a male or just a female, a child is a child. Nwa bụ Nkechi nyere onye. Nwa bụ Nkechi nyere onye, a child that is being given to you by God. Okuru lakpube, you accept the child. Whether anyone that is being given to you, you accept the child. Amụrụ nwoke nwoke nwa bụ nwa. Amụrụ nwanyị nwanyị nwa bụ nwa. Amụrụ nwoke amụrụ nwanyị nwa bụ nwa. Nwa bụ Nkechi nyere onye okuru lakpube. So, to my parents out there, whether you gave birth to a set of girls or a set of boys, a child is a blessing from God. That is the message from Nwa bụ Nwa by Oliver the Cook. This brings us to the end of our lesson today. Before we go, a quick evaluation. Question number 1. What do we call music in Igbo? What do we call music in Igbo? The answer is obvious. Music is known as Egwu. Egwu. Question number 2. 2 musical instruments that you know. In Igbo, we have so many musical instruments. We have the Oja, we have Ogene, we have Ichaka, we have Udu, and the rest of them. Thank you for joining us in our class today. Till I come your way again, keep dancing to Igbo music. Bye!